Lehlohonolo Sima has officially taken the reins at Siwelele FC, marking the beginning of a bold new era for the reborn club. The announcement was made on Saturday through the team's official X account, stating, "From us to you, we are proud to announce Lehlohonolo Sima as the new head coach of Siwelele Football Club. A new chapter begins." Sima steps into the role after several months out of the professional spotlight. His last managerial stint was with Sekhukhune United, from which he parted ways in early March. He was succeeded by Eric Tinkler, who had been let go by Captain CGFC. Now the Lesotho-born tactician returns to familiar territory, both spiritually and historically. Siwelele FC, spearheaded by businessman Calvin Lee John, is a modern-day revival of the beloved Bloemfontein Celtic, a club whose heartbeat once echoed through the Free State. John, son of the South African Sports Minister Gayton Mackenzie, recently acquired SuperSport United PSL status with a vision to restore the soul and pride of Celtic supporters. In Sima, that vision finds the perfect vessel. The former defender is no stranger to the green and white faithful. He spent 8 memorable years at Bloemfontein Celtic as a player before joining Orlando Pirates and eventually returning to coach the side. His deep bond with Bloemfontein community made him a sentimental and strategic fit for the club's rebirth. Before his appointment, Siwelele reportedly reached out to top coaching names such as Rolando Mokoena, who declined, as well as Sean Bartlett and Kelvin Johnson. Ultimately, it was Sima's legacy and connection to the club that won the hearts of the new leadership. While the team is currently based in Gauteng, plans are firmly in motion to relocate to Free State, reconnecting with its cultural roots and loyal fan base. Now Siwelele will play home matches at Lucas Moribe Stadium in Atteridgeville, a ground previously occupied by SuperSport United. Sima begins pre-season preparation this week with a friendly lined up against Orbit College. The club will kick off its PSL campaign on Saturday, August 9, with a home clash against Golden Arrows. Just 3 days later, they'll face Orbit College again, this time away at Olympia Park Stadium in Rustenburg. Siwelele's early fixture list continues with home tie against Polokwane City on August 19, followed by an away trip to Mbombela Stadium to take on TS Galaxy. The team will wrap up a busy opening month with a home encounter against Richards Bay FC on August 29. With Sima at the helm and a mission to restore Siwelele's former glory, the upcoming season promises to be a captivating journey for both players and fans. The revival of Bloemfontein Celtic isn't just a story of sport, it's a story of identity, passion, and hope reborn. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.